Magandang araw mga boxing fans at welcome back sa Boxing Bell TV. Ito na mga bossing ang pinakahihintay nating lahat, ang laban ni Kenneth Lover kontra sa Argentinian boxer na si Luciano Francisco Baldor.
Kenneth Lover, napakasaya ko. Binigyan mo kami ng kasayahan lahat ng mga Pilipino. Mabuhay ka!
Naman ko siya nung first ay 5 rounds na sa body shot nung nasaktan siya na nakita ko na uminda. Yung dinepensahan niya na talaga, ayun na yung iningatan niya sa akin. Then, nung nag-time out, sabi sa akin ng mga trainer ko, isa na lang. Na once na tumama pa tayo dyan sa body shot, tapos na yan.
Okay. Kinito?
Kenneth.
Quieren que le baje, pero no me dejo. Soy como Maidana, un campeón en el ring. Siempre con lo mismo, no cambia mi esquina. Tengo mis hermanos dentro de mi team. Venimos de abajo, salimos del pozo. Ahora somos promesa, me siento la misma. Me pongo los guantes y salgo a pelear. La quiero ver a mami vivir como queen. Acá el más inteligente gana. Yo estoy avivado.
And on your screens, ladies and gentlemen, palabas po at papasok sa ring si Kenneth Lover. Kenneth Lover is undefeated in the bantamweight division, 12 wins, 7 wins via way of knockout. Hailing from General Trias, Cavite. So sa lahat po ng kanyang mga fans na nanonood ngayon, ito na po ang oras at panahon na ating hinihintay. Kenneth Lover walks into the ring. Para po sa mga fans ni Kenneth Lover under the Jerry Peñalosa banner, sporting green and blue.
도쿄 달기로 방탄큐 이지 케네스 라바
Sisho Baldor. Será árbitro de esta contienda.
First round on your way, scheduled for 12, OBPF Bantamweight.
Kenneth Lover pinag-usapan ng husto at pinagkaguluhan ng kanyang mga fans matapos nitong manalo ng 3 sunod via knockout.
Good setup with the hook, papasok, and down goes Tulio in the very first round, ladies and gentlemen. Bagsak po ang kalabang Hapon, and that is it.
Just good. He's using his footwork, his in and out, yung labas-pasok niya. And he's really throwing his punches. Oh, wow. Yes, that's it.
Hindi na tumitigil si Kenneth Lover.
Oh! Good.
Referees almost close to stopping this fight, and they stopped it. They stopped the fight. And Luis gets it shot.
Pinagkumpara na rin ang ating current undefeated OPBF Bantamweight champion na si Kenneth Lover sa ating pambansang kamuong Manny Pacquiao. Dahil lang nooy batang Pacquiao na agresibo sa loob ng ring na walang kinakatakutan at disiplinadong boksingero sa pag-iensayo ay ngayon nakikita na sa batang si Kenneth Lover. Pati ang pagiging isang mandirigma ni Pacquiao na walang takot kumalaban ng malalakas na boksingero, ganun din itong si Kenneth Lover mga bossing. Hinamon pa nga nito si Junto Nakatani, isang Japanese undefeated na kasalukuyan na sa #1 ranking sa bantamweight division.
Sa lahat ng sino available na champion dito sa Japan, I will fight. Junto Nakatani.
May isang video footage pa nga ito na nagpakita na nag-iensayo ang ating pambansang kamao na si Manny Pacquiao at ang OVBF Bantamweight Champion na si Kenneth Lover. Nakuwang-kuwa nito ang galaw ni Pacquiao sa shadow boxing. Kaya sa nalalapit na laban nito kontra sa Argentinian boxer na si Luciano Francisco Baldor ngayong October 26 sa Kyrgyzstan ay walang kapaguran pag-iensayo ang ginagawa ngayon ni Kenneth Lover. At kung sakaling mapagtagumpay niya pa ito ay imposibleng mapalapit siya sa world title fight. Ang ginagawa ngayon ni Kenneth Lover at kung sakaling mapagtagumpay niya pa ito ay imposibleng mapalapit siya sa world title fight. Naaalala niyo po ba ang boksingerong ito mga bossing? Isang 22 anyos na binansagang The Lover Boy. Walang iba kundi si Kenneth Lover. Sa bawat laban ay bitbit man nito ang alias na Lover Boy. Ngunit hindi ito nakitaan ng pagkalambing sa mga kalaban niya. Bagkus puro gulpe ang inabot nito sa ating kababayan. May isang laban pa nga ito na kung saan nag 50-50 ang kanyang kalaban. Nawalan ng malay at gumising ito'y nasa ospital na.
He's being brought out. For sure, they'll bring him to the hospital. The San Juan Medical Center is right.
Si Kenneth Lover ay kasalukuyan na ring napalaban kamakailan sa nooy two-time world champion na si Luis Concepcion. Ito lamang August 17 taong kasalukuyan. Nagawa ng bagito nating pambato na dumanahin ng world-class na boksingero kagaya ni Luis Concepcion via technical knockout sa round 8. Subalit sa darating na laban nito ngayong Oktubre 26 taong kasalukuyan sa isang Argentinian boxer na si Luciano Francisco Baldor ay marami pa rin nagsasabi na mahihirapan itong si Lover mga bossing. Sapagkat sa 25 fights na kanyang karera, 21 wins ang kanyang naitalang panalo, 4 na talo at halos lahat ng panalo nito ay unanimous decision. Patunay na kaya nitong sumagad hanggang sa dulo ng laban. Tama kayo nang narinig mga bossing, ibig sabihin lang nito ay matibay ang stamina nitong si Francisco. Sa huling laban napansin ng buong boxing fans ang galaw nitong si Kenneth Lover na nakahawig ika nga sa nooy batang Pacquiao. Kaya naman balikan natin ang 4 na nakakatindig balahibo nitong laban na puro knockout ang inabot ng mga kalaban. Ang batong Hapon ay buo pa nga rin ng kanilang paniniwala na makakabangon sila dahil ang sumunod na rumesbak ay isa lamang daw future superstar ng kanilang bansa. Sigawan nga ang mga manonood habang naglalakad itong si Keita Kurihara. Sa ganda nga ng kartada nitong Hapon ay masasabi mo na meron itong bitaw pagdating sa ibabaw ng lona. 19 wins with 13 knockouts at wala pang bahid na pagkatalo. Samantalang si Kabayan naman ay hawak ang numero na 13 wins with 9 knockouts at wala pa ring bahid na pagkatalo. Nakataya nga sa laban ang bakanting OPBF Oriental and Pacific Boxing Federation para sa Bantamweight Division.
Ensayado yung dalawa na to, JC.
Yes.
No? We're expecting a good fight from these two.
They definitely had a lot of opportunity to rehydrate then.
Well, I was messaging the team of Noverno. After lunch when they weighed him, he was like 126. So, 8 pounds.
Yeah. Not too bad. I mean,
Here we go, first round.
Kenneth Lover starting strong.
Bad intentions from Lover.
He knows Japanese opponents. Kaming last fight niya sa Japan din. So, he's really out to impress.
Headbutt.
Sa ilong ata.
Again, a southpaw against an orthodox.
It can happen.
Again, referee warning them about the headbutts, clash of heads.
The thing is, yung sa height difference sila, medyo possible talaga mangyari yung mga headbutts yan, lalo na they're both, moving forward sabay.
Kurihara with a good right there. Again, a lead right. Oh,
You're landing really good punches.
landed with a good left over there.
Another one. Very careful siyang bumato eh.
See, this is where Kurihara's veteran, being a veteran comes in.
Yes.
You can see him. He's stalking, but he's slowing down the fight. No?
Yes.
He's coming in very, very patient.
And itong, in the case of Kenneth Oliver naman, he's very relaxed, very patient, very confident dito sa laban ito, which is good.
He's using his footwork, his in and out, yung labas-pasok niya. But he's really throwing his punches.
Wow!
Yes, that's a
Wow!
good left.
Nasilip nga agad ni Kabayan ng butas nitong Hapon nang kumonekta ang isang kaliwa ng Pinoy. Harap-harapang kinain ng Hapon ang suntok ni Kabayan.
Is it gonna be count? Yes! First knockdown of the fight. First round pa lang. Could this be a preview of good things to come for Kenneth Oliver?
Let's see, it's not over.
Hindi na tumitigil si Kenneth Oliver.
Wow! Good.
Bilang
Grabe nga tong batang to, kumbaga ayaw niyang patagalin pa ang laban at agaran nang iuwi ang title belt.
ulit.
That was a clean left.
Very clean. Medyo
Clean left. Maraming mga taong.
oh! 30 seconds.
That's it.
Wow!
That's it.
Yes!
Another TKO victory.
Very beautiful win for Kenneth Oliver. Ang bilis, pero
That previous round might, on the strength of that one kick to the face of Jovic. He's fighting a little more cautiously in this round. Open up the door for that right hand. Jab that was jarring. The left hand instead of the right jab. Pagaling. Left hand coming from Oliver, showing the roar of the pro. Oh! Groggy might have lost his footing a little bit, but he might have just been a little. Left hand, and Pagaling is down, and he's gone. Of Pagaling is still down on the canvas. There's oxygen now being in. He's out. Oh boy, what punch! Pagaling is out cold. He's got to be attended to. The God doctors have to come in.
Resort here in Manila, in Quezon City, or in Manila, sorry, the Philippines. So our viewers in Japan, pleasant evening. Here comes the
underway.
Should Oliver do anything special, or because it's an important high-profile fight?
He should continue to put pressure and throw those punches and go away easily, as we've said. But he's trying to fight back as best as he can. And if you're going up against forces his way inside, you have to know how to be able to counter.
We are in the 8th.
And Oliver knows that because of that's it.
Opened by Concepcion's persistent uppercut. That has worked. A minute and 15 remaining. Being used by Oliver. Concepcion has this habit.
After he gets that, he catches his opponents off guard.
Pour in. Crowd sensing something special.
Concepcion is staggering around the ring, taking a lot of punishment now.
Trying to use the ropes as protection.
Referees almost close to stopping this fight. And they stopped it. They stopped the fight. And Luis Concepcion has been stopped here at the end.
Grabe ang kamao ng batang ito at timing footwork na talagang epektibo sa mga kalaban. Kung isa ka sa mga nagkagusto sa ating tampok ngayon, ay malaya kang kalembangin ng kampana upang makasama kita sa panonood ng mga laban ng ating mga Pinoy boxer.